Hello my dear children, welcome to my channel Sai Math Class. This is Vidya Prabhu here, your math teacher. Today's session is about Class 10 NCERT, chapter number 1, Real Numbers. Let us start with the basic definitions which you have learned in our lower classes. Number 1, natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. It is denoted by n, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. till infinity. Second one, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Natural numbers along with 0 are said to be whole numbers. Third one, integers. What are integers? Positive numbers and its negative along with 0 forms an integers. The next definition is about real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers are denoted by capital R. Your real numbers are nothing but all rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Real numbers are nothing but a combination of both rational and irrational numbers together. What are rational numbers? It is denoted by Q, the number which can be written in a form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. What is irrational number? It is denoted by Q dash, a real numbers which cannot be expressed in a form of P by Q, whereas the decimal expansion of the numbers are non-terminating, non-recurring. The next definition is about prime numbers. What are prime numbers? The number which have only two factors. The numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers, which means that the number must be divisible by 1 and the number itself. For example, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. are called prime numbers. Why? Because the number 5 have only two factors, 1 and the number 5 itself. Is 7, they have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. 11, they have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. The next definition is about composite number. What are composite number? The number which have more than two factors. For example, 4. What is 4? What are the factors of 4? It is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. If a number have more than two factors, then they are said to be composite numbers. Example, 4, 6, 9, 8, 10, etc. The next very important property of positive number is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This theorem states that every composite number can be expressed as product of prime, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. Which means that every composite number, we know what are composite numbers, right? The number which have more than two factors are said to be composite numbers. So every composite number can be expressed as product of prime number, and every composite number has a unique prime factorization. For example, we have a composite number 14. Why? Because 14 have more than two factors. 14 is divisible by 1, 2, 7 and 14. So 14 is a composite number. We are going to express the composite number 14 as a product of prime numbers. So let me factorize 14. Since the given number is an even number, we'll start up with the smallest prime number 2. When you factorize by the prime number 2, it is divisible by 2 for 7 times. Then again a 7 is a prime number, 7 ones are 7. So the given number 14 can be expressed as 2 into 7. So every composite number can be expressed as, here the number 14 can be expressed as 2 into 7. The next example, we have a composite number 25. 25 can be factorized by using a prime number 5. Since it is ending with 5, it is factorizable by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Then again by the prime number 5, 1. So 25 can be expressed as 5 into 5. Then we have another composite number 98. So 98 can be factorized by the smallest prime number 2. Since 98 is an even number, we can start up with the smallest prime number 2. So it is divisible by 4 times 8, balance 1, 9 times 18. Then again by the prime number 7, 7 sevens are 49, 7, 1. So the composite number 98 can be expressed as 2 into 7 into 7. So it's nothing but the theorem says that every composite number can be expressed as product of prime number, and this prime factorization is unique for every composite number. Using fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we are going to find HCF and LCM for the given numbers. HCF, highest common factor. It is also called greatest common divisor. To find HCF, we need to find the product of smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. To find LCM, least common multiple, we need to find the product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers. We have a relationship between HCF, LCM and the given two positive integers. For example, let a comma b be the two positive integers. We need to find the LCM of a comma b and HCF of a comma b. The given two positive integers and their LCM and HCF have a relationship. That is nothing but HCF of a comma b into LCM of a comma b, that is equal to the product of given two positive integers. This is a relationship between the given two positive integers a comma b. HCF into LCM equal to the product of two numbers a comma b. Thanks for watching my video.